My shirt's dirty. Ignore it because I'm not changing and this is realistic.
Yeah! Yep, that's me.
Hey you. Hey. So how are you doing? How are you? Personally, I drink too much coffee again. My heart feels like it's gonna beat out of my chest. So I know I saw you guys a couple weeks ago and that was fun, a little pop in here and there. And you're like, wow, what are you doing here again? I know, I am here once again and I don't know, I guess I'm just feeling it. So I thought it would be fun to do a little art video because a lot of you guys said that you guys wanted to see some art. And I was like, yes, I can do that. But before we get into art, I have a couple things I want to say, okay? So I know what you're thinking. Maybe she's feeling it, or maybe she got another brand deal. And yes, this video is sponsored by two things. Thank you for all the sweet and loving comments on my last video. And thank you for the mean comments too. Or just the comments where nothing made sense. I understand that that's gonna happen. There's too many people in this world to please them all, okay? And you only really need to please the big guy upstairs. On the topic of my last video, I would like to address this common theme in the comment section. It's directed at this part of the video. This is a painting that I'm working on at the moment for Mystery Man's cousin. So I guess after viewing that part of the video, an alarming amount of people decided to comment, you're painting Melania and Donald Trump, and no. But that brings me to my first sponsor. My first sponsor is something called listening. Listening is a crazy, crazy concept. So what listening is, it's giving attention to the sounds that a person, place, or a thing is making. Whether it be words, noises, giggles, I don't know, but you hear it and you process it. If you are unable to hear, you can still read it and process it. If you are unable to see, oh, you can still hear. So if you use my code LISTEN, you would understand that I said, I'm painting this for my boyfriend's cousin. And I don't think that I'm dating, who's Donald Trump's cousin? I don't think that I'm dating John Gordon Trump. No, I'm not. Therefore, must be some other cousin. And the second sponsor is Function of Beauty. So if you don't know what Function of Beauty is amazing because it is a fully customizable hair care brand that you can get on a subscription service, so they can ship to you once a month, every 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months, so you can find out. Damn. So a lot of you guys have heard me talk about this before, and I get a lot of comments on every single video, even though I talk about it a lot. My hair care, and I've been using this for a minute now, and I love it. So basically all you have to do is go onto their website and take a 2-minute quiz, and it's super easy, and you pick your hair goals, fragrance, colors, everything. What you want your bottle to say. It's adorable. Mine says my name. For example, my hair goals were curl definition, volumize, hydrate, anti-frizz, and deep condition. Yes, I chose the eucalyptus scent, and you can also choose between a hair mask, leave-in treatment, or a serum, and I always get their leave-in treatment because it's amazing and it smells so good. And when you use everything in the shower, everything just smells like eucalyptus. It's all I use. I just shampoo, condition it, and while it's wet upside down, I put this leave-in conditioner in and then just scrunch it with my fingers, and it's incredible. It works like a charm every single time, and my hair just gets bigger and bigger throughout the day. So by the time it's time to go to bed, my hair's done. It is paraben and sulfate free, and amongst other things, it's non-toxic, non-GMO, vegan, and cruelty free. Wow. But yes, I love Function of Beauty, and I have for a really long time. And personally, my hair has never been, it hasn't been this long since I was probably like 16, or this consistently curly everywhere. So it's great, and I'm so happy about it. Thank you, Function of Beauty, for sponsoring this video. And of course, you guys can use the link in my description for 20% off of your first order with them. And I really think you should check it out. Again, thank you, Function of Beauty, for sponsoring this video. Kiss, kiss, mwah, mwah, miss, miss. Love you. All right, art. I have a lot of different projects started, so we're just gonna go add little pieces to every single project. I hope that's okay, because I'm all over the place if you can't tell. Okay, let's get started. First art piece of the day is this bad boy right here. And As we know, because we listened, this is my boyfriend's cousin and his wife. That's also my boyfriend's cousin and his wife. But I can't paint faces. And I really debated just smacking 2 yellow smiley faces on their face, which I still might do. The first thing that's driving me nuts about her is that this is a white wedding dress, as you can tell, but this black on her dress is way too stark. So I think what I'm gonna do is mix like a tan. So if you haven't noticed by now, my art style is either way too precise like this or just scribbles. Okay, so we're gonna put a smiley face there. That's a good circle. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty original, but it's a little different. I'm happy with it. Anyway. Okay, project number 2 is my church pew. I got it on Facebook Marketplace for the free, right? Can you believe it? I patched up some of the holes with some wood putty, and it's not screwed together right now. I just kind of... And I painted it school bus yellow. I know what you're thinking. Why? I don't know. But now I want to paint flowers on it. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna mix some white paint with the yellow that I used, and I used bare plantain chips. And some of these, and some of these. Let's mix it together to see what color we get. Just add a bit more yellow. No, I think that's good. I think that's good. I think I like that. And I think it should dry darker. I think the middle should technically be like right there. So we're gonna go up higher. Much like fitness, breathing is a key part. If you mess up, you can just repaint it. And I don't know if this is gonna match my future home. So I'm probably gonna end up having to repaint it for my future home anyway. And then 4 more times based off the seasons. I'm happy. Cute. Okay, now cue time lapse. Hello world. I am eating broccoli as I do this voiceover, so please ignore the noises that you may hear. Yes, I am just painting these same flowers that I painted on the drawers in my last video, but this is a little bit different because this is 8 feet long and 2 feet tall. So I'm using just a bigger paintbrush and the strength of Jesus to get me through this. And yeah, it's just it's a symmetrical design. It's nothing too crazy. It was nothing too symmetrical because I would just put the big leaves in the same spot and make those symmetrical. But then I would just kind of go in and fill in as the space needed it. So it wasn't anything, I didn't go bonkers, but it was cute. I ended up actually painting the sides of it too, just so you could see the outline of it, which was also really cute. I like this idea a lot. It makes things pop. Then I added some yellow to that same paint to make it a little bit darker, and then I ended up doing some shading to it, which I did 3 more times. So what you're gonna see here isn't the final product, but yes, it looks great. The final product is with 3 more coats of darker yellow, and I absolutely love it. It came out perfect. I wouldn't change anything except for that middle flower. For some reason, it just grinds my gears. But yes, we still got to do the cushion and the sides and everything, so there will be more updates on this project of mine in the future. But I think it turned out great. I think that's all that I have in me today. All right, you guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it wasn't hope you weren't bored. I don't know, it's hard to make art videos, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see next and I can provide for you. I'm glad you got to work on some projects with me because they've just been sitting there and I haven't been looking at them, so thank you for forcing me to get up and make some progress. Also, thank you Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. You know I appreciate you and love you, and my hair does too. It doesn't look like it right now because of the side pony, but it does. If you want, you can like and subscribe. You don't have to. Let's be wary of what we comment this time. Let's just think about what we're saying, okay? Because you should just practice that at all times. because one day you're gonna get the wrong one. That is all I have for today. Peace, blessings. It's been real, it's been fun, and it was really fun. Mwah, mwah. Bye bye.